It's here! Redcat Gen8! Finally! Let's do an unboxing. Hey everybody, this is Frank from Cesco RC, and I'm really glad I got my Gen8 finally. First I want to say thank you, rcaddict.us, and that's where I got mine. I'm located in Europe and it isn't available in Europe at this moment. It will be in around 1 to 3 months, if I'm told correctly, and I didn't want to wait so long. So mine is coming all the way from the States, and as I'm located in the Netherlands, which is probably the flattest squalor country in the world, we do more trailing than wheel crawling, walk crawling, because we don't have walks. So I'm gonna look at this more as a trail truck, scale truck, than a crawling truck. That said, I also want to thank Redcat, who is really active at the moment. This is my first Redcat. I never owned a Redcat, but I uploaded a lot of files on Thingiverse for 3D printing. I have a 3D printer, so you can expect more videos of the Gen8 where I go into all the designs and show you what the possibilities are and what is out there. I'm going to print several designs, and then I'm going to put them on my Gen8. So first of all, for all you in the community, I'm Team Orange. So we got that out of the way. There's a thing going on the Facebook group if you're Team Blue or Team Orange. So that all said, thank you Ryan for making sure I got it so quickly. This is the second shipment, and it came right to me from the States then. So I only opened it to look if everything was in it. Didn't got it out or anything, so I'm gonna do that now. Before that, I'm gonna show you what I already ordered, because normally you would buy ready to run and then start with your upgrades. In my case, I already bought all kinds of things. If I'm correct, there are D-links in it, which I also ordered at RC Addict. I also have new wheels. I printed a roof rack, and all the printing stuff will be in other videos, because I'm going to do a series on the Redcat Gen8, especially on everything that you can 3D print. This is the skid. It got rid of the belly that was over here. I'm going to talk about that. I got a whole lot of stuff: wipers, door handles, all kinds of jewelry, gas cap. I got a lot of stuff. I got all the grills. There are 5, one for the back, and even more for the front. So I'm currently printing other stuff. Accessory plates. Redcat did a lot of design. I show you a picture of their Thingiverse account. There are a lot of other people designing at the moment. I think this is going to be important one. We got the TRX-4, which yeah, a lot of people got now. Of course you got the actual SEX 10.2, but I think this is the next thing. I'm sure of it. If I see the community, then and what people are doing it's already, and it's just only out for around 1.5 months. I think this is definitely the next thing. So I'm very curious. Got some other coolies already. Got PowerShift sent me some light. I bought it there. I have another servo. No, a lot of stuff. This is time for the unboxing. First, let's go over all the specs. So, all that's said, I want to see it. Let's get it out. Okay, first thing we see. It's really nice packed. Let me see. Manual. In the manual has some extras. I believe there's a spare holder for the spare tire. Holder for the spare tire. I see some extra Velcro and some other stuff, but real men don't read manual. Let's get it out. Okay, let's there it is. Let's see what we have here. This is the radio. Clean up the plate. Let me see, this is, I think this is a fly sky. It looks like a fly sky. Yeah, it looks like a rebanded fly sky to me. But I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, just tell me in the comments. Let me see. It's got steering trim, throttle trim, steering dual weight, throttle reverse, normal or okay, you can bind it of course. Steering reverse, okay, yeah, basically a normal radio. It's very light. I think it works with AA batteries. Yeah. Let me see. AA batteries. Okay, I'll try this in the beginning, but I'm probably gonna use my my fly sky transmitter, GT3C. That's change that from 3 to 8 channel. Let me see what is this? ELPHNT Customs. Okay, oh that's nice. Well, thank you, Ryan. He added a license plate to it. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, I like that. Yeah, that's a nice gift. Okay, those are my D-links. Those are brass D-links, and they are high clearance ones. And those are normally not with it, but I asked Ryan to send it with in the box. Okay, I love it. I have also brass links on both of my TRX-4s, my Fender and my Bronco. I see I need some pliers, so I'll be back in one moment. Got it. Well, the packet was really good. Let's get this out. Okay, I already see one problem with this one. Okay. Problem one. Don't know if you notice, but the ESC is hanging loose. On two. All the Velcro came loose. So the idea is, I like the idea of the Velcro. I'm probably gonna upgrade to magnets, but I can understand why they added a second set to this. That said, it does look really good. So what I do is I'll tilt the camera so we can have a better look at it. There's also a spare tire in the box. Let's see what we got here. We got shackles, D-links, how you want to call it. There's a possibility over here to get rid of that. If you want to have a trailer on it. Bumpers, let's say Redcat. This all looks nice. It's all nice plastic. I like that. Looks all solid. It reminds me a bit of, yeah, it's somewhere between actual SCX10 and the TRX-4. Okay, what I do like is this. You just can remove these and you don't have to open the receiver box. I like that. It's got a battery in the middle. Redcat got several options for it to move this around. So you can put it that way, or there are several options. Also for the electronics, I'm planning on getting interior in, because there's already a design for that. Okay, looks like there's a little bit of room here, probably for a winch or silver winch. I found it. So looks like it. Yeah, I would think so. But there's also the accessory plates. Now I've got here the accessory plates. There's also one that has room for a fan. I don't really know why you need a fan, but if you see a reason for a fan, just let me know in the comments, because I don't know. This will be with room for a fan, and you have a little bit more room there. So this is not, you have to 3D print this. This is one of the designs. Okay, well, it looks all great. I think wheels are plastic. Everybody's complaining about the foams. Apparently you have to cook the foams. You have to boil them in water and then it will be better. I'm just gonna try it. Apparently when it's cold, that's supposed to be memory foam. And they're really stiff. I have to say, yeah. I have my TRX-4 behind me, so. Okay, let's get that out of the way. It is really orange. Now, there's a lot of discussions about it. People are disappointed there are no windows in it. It's real easy to do. Look at Hemi-Storm, he did a nice video on it. There are people having good results with some nitro fuel. Just get the sticker, get your sticker out and just leave the lines for it, and then remove the paint from the inside. I'm gonna try the nitro fuel, I think, or the way Hemi-Storm did it. Okay, what I do like is that the way the fenders lock into each other, so basically you have half here, half here. I like that system. Yeah, I'm really gonna have fun with this. Shall we see how big it is comparing to my TRX-4? Get that one. So, let's compare those. Wheelbase wise, that's pretty much the same. Yeah. I would say they're pretty much the same width. Yes. And let me get it. Okay, so the pack is. The Scout is a little bit longer. Just not much, but it is. Height wise, it's a little bit higher. It's overall, the body looks a little bit bigger. I think when you have clear windows in it, it will look a little bit different. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. Yes, see, it's all pretty much the same. Let's get that over here. This one behind it. Now you want to see the Bronco. Get that. See? This is the difference. Okay. This is a little bit different than normally. If you want to change the wheelbase, and I think this is really clever, you only have to change the mounting points of these links. There are several mounting points here. That's all you have to change. So normally you have to change this, but not with this one. The shocks look good also. Nice shocks. Okay, I also noticed the light pockets. Let me see if you can see that. All prepared. So there's room for, let me see, it looks like, 5mm lights. There are actually 2 holes over there. Okay, so either you want a lot of light and you put 2 whites in it, or a white one and an orange one. Well, same on the rear. Got some light buckets on it. Body, yeah, it's not as thick as the Traxxas TRX-4 bodies. Let me check. Yeah, those are a little thicker. It's kind of like the actual SCX-10, like the Jeep, the Cherokee one. I have that one. Okay, and we have some more light buckets over in the bumpers. So 2 at the front and 2 at the rear. So you can add some more lights over there. Okay, overall, yeah, it's a shame that this the ESC came loose, but okay, that's the easy fix. The same is for the body. It shouldn't be like that, but okay. I don't know. Perhaps that's the trip all the way from China to the States, and from States to here, or whatever their production is. But what I am gonna change, I don't like the fenders. That's not the way the Scout has them. See? Yeah. They added the Redcat logo, which is a nice touch, but I don't know if it's necessary. So I'm either gonna design some new ones, or just get my Dremel out and yeah, change the shape of it. Either way, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with it. It is I like it. Okay. I don't like that I have to fix a couple of things. It's not totally ready for me. Tires. Let me see. I have a Super Swamper over here. Yeah, it looks pretty much the same. This is another one. That one is a little bit smaller. It's a cheaper China one. That's what. Those Super Swampers. Thread looks okay. Nice, soft rubber. Okay. I just noticed in the box there's another license plate there. Now from RC Addict, so thank you guys. And some RC Addict decals. To wrap this up, what do I think of this Redcat Gen8? Well, overall, first look, without even driving it, I like it. I like the body, I like this Scout body. It's, yeah, it looks a lot like TRX-4. It has the portals, it has the aluminum shocks on there. Looks all to be for $299, and I'm told the price in Europe is going to be 399 euros. So for you watching, so my first impression is it's looking like it to be a really nice truck. Yeah, I think they did a really good job. The one thing I want to tell you is there is a very active community. Redcat has a Facebook page or group that's called Redcat Gen8, real simple. If you're into buying this one, check it out. I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. It's It's a little bit more orange than I thought, but I like it. Orange is my color, Cesco RC orange. So what I'm gonna do with this is I think I'm gonna paint the roof, either black or white. I don't know, I'm not sure. Are gonna be white rally stickers available? I don't know, what do you think? Let me know in the comment. Black theme, so black rally stripes, black roof, or white theme, or something different. I'm gonna change something to the fenders because I don't really, I think this is not really right. So either I'm gonna design some other fenders for it, or first try to see if I can make them a little bit more round, make them look a little bit better. If you look at the wheel scouts, then most of them don't even have this. So I don't know. That's part of the hobby. Just thinking around. So I'm going to change the D-links, or the links for the brass ones. What I'm gonna do? Yeah, I already have lightning for it, power shift RC, check their site out, and other wheels. So basically it's not gonna be stock for a long while, which is with most of my cars. But first I'm gonna make all the electronics work, and I'm gonna run it stock and then change it and make some more running videos. So I'm gonna do a lot of 3D printing stuff on it. I have, as you saw, already printed a lot of things, so I'm gonna do a lot of videos on that. Do check those, subscribe, like, comment if you want to follow up on the series. So I will do several videos where you can see the transformation of this Gen8 Scout 2 into whatever I make it look like, and also improve the chassis. So that's part of the hobby. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. This was my real first unboxing. So if you want to see more things like this, just let me know in the comments. Thank you, and I will say I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. You can find additional information in the video description, and if you have any comments or questions, leave them behind under this video. Click the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button to receive a notice for my new videos. And on the right you can click and watch one of my other videos. And on that, I'll see you on the next one.